Creating a simple product is easy, but when that same product comes in multiple colors, different sizes, or material options, keeping everything organized can become a challenge. That's where FluentCart's advanced variations feature comes in. With just a few clicks, you can create reusable attributes, automatically generate every product combination, and manage pricing, inventory, and images from one place. In this video, I'll walk through the entire process step by step and show you how to create advanced product variations for your WordPress store. Let's get started. I'm inside my FluentCart dashboard right now. If you hover over products, you will notice options like attributes and inventory. We'll come back to those later in this walkthrough because they are a big part of managing products with multiple variations. For now, let's create a new product. I'll click Add Product and give it a title. Let's use a simple example, a t-shirt. Now comes an important step, choosing how your product will behave. I'm selecting advanced variations for this example, but you can always pick the right variation type based on what you are selling. I'll keep it as a physical product, click Add Product, and we are ready to start configuring everything. Let's quickly add a short description that gives customers a quick overview of the t-shirt and a detailed description so they have all the information they need before making a purchase. Next, I'll upload a product image and assign the appropriate category and brand to keep everything organized. And now we get to the key part, adding multiple variations. Just click on the button and instantly you'll have the option to add a variation for your product. Hit select and all your pre-made attribute groups show up right here. Since this product comes in multiple colors, I can simply search for the variation I created earlier. Then choose the right attribute and pick the options in just a few clicks. I'll do the same for size, and just like that, both variation types are added. Now, if you don't have any attributes set up yet, no worries. You can create one on the spot. Let me show you how. Click Add More and give this variation a name, something like Fit. And as you can see, nothing shows up on the option values. That's expected because we haven't created one yet. Let's add one for Slim Fit. I'll add a few more so my customers can easily pick the right product for them. Click Save and the new variation is ready to use. As you can see, FluentCart has already generated all the combinations for us. But that's just the half of the story. You need to properly manage each variation as well. FluentCart makes it really effortless. From there, you can group products based on any variation type you want. When you switch between groups, you will see the variation set update instantly. The best part is that each variation has its own price, stock, SKU, image, and status. Let's fine-tune a variation so you can see just how much control FluentCart gives you. You can upload a specific image for that variation, set its price, calculate margins, track inventory, adjust shipping details, and more, all separately for each option. Everything looks on point, so let's update the changes. Here's one of my favorite time-saving features. If you have a whole group of variations that need the same update, you don't have to edit each one individually. Simply click the pencil icon and you can instantly update all the variations within that group at once. From here, when you update the price, it reflects across every variation in that group. You can also manage inventory, assign shipping settings, and configure taxes all without opening each variation one by one. The process is the same for the remaining variations. I'll speed things up here, and if you are finding this tutorial helpful, hit that subscribe button on WPManageNinja for more practical WordPress e-commerce guides. Alright, the product variations are set. It's time to publish the product. So the product officially goes live, ready for customers to explore and purchase. Now, before we see it from the customer side, let's take a quick look at attribute management, which I mentioned at the beginning of this walkthrough. If you ever need to manage attributes globally, you'll find them under the products section. Need to add another option to an existing attribute? Simply edit it here and your changes are ready to use without rebuilding everything. Creating a new attribute follows the same straightforward process. Add a title, choose the attribute type, select your preferred display style, and click Add Group. From there, you can add as many options as you need and reuse them across different products. Now let's jump over to the customer side and see these variations in action. When a customer lands on my store and tries to purchase the product, everything we have configured behind the scenes comes together on this product page. As a customer switch between options, FluentCart automatically updates pricing, availability, and product information. FluentCart also keeps customers on valid combinations, so they don't pick a version that doesn't exist or is out of stock. Once they have found the right combination, they can add it to their cart and complete the checkout with confidence. The result? A smoother shopping experience that's faster, more intuitive, and much more enjoyable for your customers. So that's the complete workflow for creating advanced product variations in FluentCart. You have seen how FluentCart lets you create products with multiple variations, generate every combination automatically, and manage everything from one place. For stores selling clothing, electronics, accessories, or any product with multiple options, this FluentCart feature can save a lot of manual work and create a smoother buying experience. Give advanced variations in FluentCart a try and see how effortless managing a WordPress store can be. If you want a full written guide, check the blog and documentation linked in the description. See you in the next video.